Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, fog lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.